Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I have a few projects that are kind of midway in between things. One of them is a Cornsheller, and I'm going to be doing some repair work on it, and I'm going to bring you along when I do it. To kind of give you an idea of what I did to the first one, there's a whole lot of pictures here. And then after that, it's a short clip of my old workshop. It's the day I moved. So it's not anywhere near as nice as a lot of workshops that you see, but that was after 20 years of working on it. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.